everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, nandito kami ngayon sa SM City Cebu. We're just going around the mall guys. I don't know what we're doing here right now. Let's ask them.
Hello!
Good morning! Ang early nyo naman.
Morning pa ba?
Ang early nyo naman sa mall. Anong ginagawa nyo dito?
Another mall tour. Wala tayong hinahanap, Drew. Ano lang tayo, tingin-tingin na naman.
Buying some gifts that we're going to give for this Christmas.
September pa.
Early talaga. At least tell, kung bibili tayo ng gift, dapat
least.
gender neutral lang. Bibilin ba natin o hindi?
Siyempre hindi. Ano
Hindi.
sila?
Next time na lang,
Wala
next
pa,
time.
walang ano.
Para at least pagbalik natin dito, we already got the items. Was that right?
That's right.
Didiretso na tayo sa mga stores.
Like this. Shout out sa mga friend ko na sinong gusto makatanggap ng soup. Oh, it's handmade. So organic. Comment down below. What's your goal for today's video?
I think we're just gonna go around the mall lang. And let's see kung may mga sale doon sa department store. Sa may
Tuloy na lang
SM.
natin, Drew, yung series natin doon. Nasaan ka dadalhin ng budget? Magkano sa'yo last time?
100. Pero, well, ngayon,
Ngayon, since pecha 15, sige, 100 sa akin.
Okay, sa akin, 250 na lang.
Wow!
ganun.
Basta yun ang budget guys ha, abangan. Naghanap tayo ng mga possible na mabilhan ng regalo.
Is that good for me?
Pero kung ikaw yung mabunot ko, Drew, ay hindi pwede, Drew. Housemates tayo, Drew. Pwede din. Pero yung bibilin ko, yung pinakaayaw mo.
It should be a sale, 50% off dapat.
Kung may Christmas,
Gusto ko lang mamahalin.
Okay.
Hello,
Gusto niya full price.
200 lang ang minimum ng Christmas exchange gift natin.
Bumaba. Last year, 500.
Minimum
Tapos,
sa-
naging
Oo.
200 na lang.
Parang ang dami palang gastos ng 2024.
Do we have plans where we're going to have our Christmas party?
Abangan guys. Gusto ko na meron pa rin. Para lang may vlog ka doon. Hala, yaw-yaw oh.
We.
Yaw-yaw yan.
Yaw-yaw ka, girl.
Sinerge ko paano yan. Hindi ako wrong, okay?
So, yaw-yaw.
Because it came
Yaw-yaw.
from Spain.
Okay.
Double L. Wanna try?
Wala pa tayong kain. Di ba ako kumain?
Wala tayong cash.
Okay, ganun ba?
Cash, kain, and then dessert na. This is the day.
Dapat alam na natin kung saan tayo dumadaan. Because SM is our turf. Again.
And alam ko
Tapos
ayan.
nawawala pala.
Ayaan na turf natin na wala tayo last time.
Yeah,
Out
nakakahilo
na
sa
yung video
Ayala.
guys. Charot. Watch it. Nakikita ko ng Uniqlo. Guys, mga hindi nakakaalam, yan po ang brand ni... charot.
Ay.
Yan po ang brand ni Andrew.
Bibili na
Pasok
ba?
Ay,
Kailan sila mag-50% off?
ang polo mo. May mabubudol ba today? I think the title of the song is cliche.
Sounds like cliche.
Kasi mag-Japan ka ba? Drew, huwag mong malitin ang Pilipinas, Drew. Kahit di tayo Japan, kaya natin mag-suot ng nasuot. Huwag kang ano dyan. Ano ba yung nahanap natin? Sir, welcome to Uniqlo.
Wow.
Anyway.
Ano ba yung bibilihin nyo?
Dali sila, welcome to Uniqlo.
Dapat ganun ka, dapat welcome ka.
We found what we're looking for, but is this the right one?
So soft.
Malay mo, Korea Jones.
Correct ba? For kids.
But,
Under 30 or 29 pa na?
ala ha, scam. Hindi man natin bet ang ang sale.
Magkano?
Hala,
Sino yan? Sino
Japan.
Ganun ka?
Pikachu.
Talagang yan guys ha.
Ay, akala ko si Pikachu.
Gusto ko lagi ng jacket. Kay gaulan-ulan, manggod ka duty no. Ang sakit akong kuhan ba? Likod.
Kung magpaparinig ka kay Jomar Drew, anong gusto mong bilhin niya para sa iyo?
Let me see, because I'm still looking for a sale. Kung may mahanap akong sale dito.
Sale na worth 2,000.
No, sale na worth 200, joke.
Here at
na
SM?
ako.
Here at
SM?
SM? Meron ba ganun Drew? Oh my god, I can see the H&M.
Hindi na active yung jingle nila ngayon. Saan yung jingle nila? I don't hear the jingle.
It's
Judith?
Yeah, I think so. Because nag-reply mo siya, Te, just mo ka.
Gutom na ako. I'm hungry.
Wala mga una ta.
Wala
Ingon
mga
ko sa imo
12.
magkaon ka, wala ka nagkaon, dugi kay ka sa silong kung sa
At
kaya
least
ka.
naka-CR siya.
Uy, dugi kay siya sa
Matagal.
ilalom kung magkaon ka, nya wala siya nagkaon.
We're here at H&M. And let's look for a sale, you guys.
I don't know, may sale oh.
900. Like a t-shirt, 900.
T-shirt mo man to, Jones.
Is that reasonable? Or 100?
499 oh.
Kaya pag-guide ko.
Ganyan man daw ang hype ngayon, Jones.
Yeah, dapat
Gen Z.
baggy-baggy.
Sa mga kuan.
Doon tayo banda sa may sale. Wala ka ba? Doon no?
Wala tayong maano dito, guys.
Diyan no, sale. Hello. 149.
Mas maganda pa doon sa ano, sa Ayala.
Your opinion means very little to me. Why?
999 na lang ni siya, sir, oh.
Ito magkano?
Ito, oh, kay Chan Chan may bigay, oh. This one.
Where?
Chan, nahanap ko na.
No,
Para
crop top
sa'yo.
siya. Thank. How much though?
What does it say?
Distracted?
Dad, parang ito na, oh, kasi 599.
Hanap mo na ako dito.
No, it's either alisin mo yung cup or yung glasses mo.
Bakit? Okay.
Wala ka sa...
You look suspicious to me.
Yeah.
You
'cause
look sus.
I don't want people to recognize me.
Famous, fucking famous.
Dapat mag-glasses na talaga tayo. Saan yung glasses mo, Teo? Oh, okay. Nandyan pa na.
Yeah, this is like my signature.
Tayo.
Next stop. Charot. Tiwala ako na may mabibili ako sa 100.
Pero pupunta tayo doon sa may department
Ay, di ka
store.
sure.
Let's go to the department store. Baka may makita tayo doon na sale. Either a t-shirt, a short, or ano ba yung kailangan natin ngayon?
Tumbler na lang bilhin ko sa inyo.
Ay, may tumbler na ako. Sorry.
I-regift mo na lang, Drew.
Gusto ko ng mug. Pero ready ka na? Camping na.
Shall we? So, hanapin mo daw yung 190.
Ito, oh. Puro, parang masira lang. $430.
I found it.
Mag-mountain climbing tayo.
Malay mo, after 10 years. Ano, fitting na shorts.
Cycling. Ano to? T-shirt.
Pang ano, sweat. Running.
Well, 3 for 700.
No?
Tipis mo po.
May cycling. Sa loob pala.
Kani upang jogging yung...
Pwede sad. Kanya color blue. Ito din.
Black po. Nice ang black po. Narwa kay butanganan o kuan mo singsing yun.
Hindi siya mag-stretch. Oh? Gamay lang dyan.
Kinali dapat mo dito.
Pero sobra naman.
Nice man. Pero lagi man ako pabisin.
Pero maganda yung tela niya.
Baka kung malbodili ka ganan sa gawas mag-practice of biking, kanina lang.
Ganyan si si sister Kim Chu.
Ayun. Papasok muna kami sa may SM department store. We'll be right back. And I'm going to give you an update later as soon as we meet up with Judith. So, see you in a bit, guys. Nandito po kami ngayon sa bagong food hall or food court dito sa SM City Cebu, and we're going inside. Let's explore. This is the dining area. Let's go in. Why are we here?
Because why not? Is that pork or pork eh?
Pork. Ah, okay.
Pork.
Pork.
Pork kasi oh. Yung
Kasi merong
May baboy.
apostrophe.
Ay, akala ko may baboy.
May baboy.
Dito po kami ngayon nag-dine-in sa Porke or Pork. I don't know how to pronounce it, so that's the name of the business, guys. By the way, guys, nandito na po yung order namin. It took us like around 15 minutes for the food to be served. So this is what we've ordered. This is the food. Meron kaming lechon na baboy. Oh, may Mang Tomas. Kare-kare. Bolalo. At meron kami mga torta. Ayan. May mani pa, social. Social ba? Mani, bagoong.
regular lang yan sa
At merong Mang Tomas. We have the pinakbet. And they have free soup. Ito nga pala yan. Ang dami naman. Parang soup na. Oh my god, I thought it was free soup. How's the food?
Ito makuha mo ang kausap.
Hi, Tel, how's the food? Kamusta naman yung lechon?
Wala pa uy, hindi ko pa na,
Hindi mo pa na-try out eh.
hindi ko pa na, hindi ko pa siya mag-grade.
Ito na po yung pagkain natin, guys. Kakain muna kami. I'm super hungry as well. So tara, let's eat! Kakatapos na namin kumain sa Pork, and I'm going to give it 4.5 stars because the food is amazing, service is good, but a little bit delayed yung pag-serve nila kanina because there's a lot of people, so it's very understandable. But all in all, guys, I'm going to give it 4.5 stars. Better visit them here on SM City Cebu. They're actually located at the new food court at the very top floor. Let's ask them, guys, kung anong i-rate nila sa Pork restaurant. What's your rate on Pork restaurant? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest.
3.
Bakit 3?
Laki na yan oh. Mas may masarap pa na iba.
Will you recommend them?
So, nothing remarkable. Oh, charot.
How many stars will you give Pork restaurant? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest.
3.
Bakit 3?
Kasi salty yung ano nila. Yung iba, lechon at saka wala dry yung laman. Mas masarap yung bulalo doon sa Pero 3 lang tapos matagal pa yung order.
Will you recommend?
Yes, of course. Try nyo doon sa food hall. Ang new food court ng SM. Yun lang, bye.
Since you're already here, how many stars will you give Pork restaurant? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest.
3.
Bakit 3?
Kasi 3 lang yung gusto ko.
Will you recommend them?
For experience purposes, yes.
And how will you rate their lechon?
It's very dry, very... Yung balat niya is nasobrahan sa pagkaluto. So, it's maalat na mapait. Pero bilhin mo na tayo ng
Paano,
moshi.
Ako di ko mukaunan na.
Nandito kami ngayon, guys, sa original food court. The OG.
Ay, gusto ka, Drew? Take out, Drew?
This is the food court dito sa baba, guys. Madami din mga businesses dito. Where Jude is currently ordering some food over there. And this is the rest of the food court.
We're waiting for the beach, Jude.
How much is it, Jude?
It's for only 130 bucks.
How many pieces na siya?
24.
Malakas yung ulan. I can't see the rain because I'm wearing my glasses. Kaya malakas yung ulan. We cannot walk over there because we didn't bring any umbrellas. Did you bring your umbrella?
I have a hat, but my hat cannot make it. So. Ay, pag motor jud kay basi mapan ka. Yes. Mag-ubo-ubo.
What's your bagyo? May bagyo po yan.
Pinas Balita is pumasok na sa area of the Philippines, chuchu si Bagyo.
So the question is, what's the name of the beach?
Freddy ata, the direct
Freddy.
Freddy.
Nandito kami ngayon sa may Gongcha and we've ordered 4 drinks. So the 2 drinks that we ordered is the House Special Milk Signature Tea and we chose the black tea. Meron sila tatlong options. They have black tea, green tea, and Earl Grey tea. So we chose the black tea and this is the size, guys. It's a large size and we've ordered 2. This only costs us like 120 pesos for the large and for the medium size it's only for 110 pesos. We've ordered 2 fruit teas. The first order is the passion fruit green tea and this is the medium size. It only costs us like 110 pesos yung medium size at yung large size it's 125 pesos. And the second order is the lychee green tea with aloe. 110 pesos yung medium size and yung large size is 120 pesos. See you in a couple of minutes. Let me try the green tea and I'll give you my rate later. Give it 3 stars, guys. I really didn't like the milk tea and as well as the tea drink because it's a little bit sweet for me. I think this is my second time na nakapag-try ng Gongcha. I don't recommend it on my part, but if you're a lover of milk tea, I think you better try it. I'm going to give it 3 stars. Better visit them, guys, and try their milk tea and tell me what's the best milk tea drink to try it on our next visit dito sa SM Mall or sa ibang branch nila. That's it for me. Before we're going to end the video, guys, I'm going to ask Cristel kung ano yung rate niya sa Gongcha. Tell, what's your rate? 1 to 5 is the highest, and will you recommend Gongcha?
3. Nasa top pa rin ng ano yung na-face out na? Chachago. Tapos Serenity. Pero yeah, it's recommendable. Baka may ibang flavor na masarap.
So, yun na po yung rate namin, guys, sa Gongcha. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Hanggang dito na po yung vlog namin. Thank you all for joining our adventure for today dito sa SM City Cebu. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, everyone, and have a good night. Bye. Bye, Jude. Bye.
Bye.